Hi guys! My favorite thing to do in the garden is harvesting. I'm going to make cabbage rolls. Oh, this is loose already. I'm not gonna harvest this. Going to let this pod go brown so that I can collect the seeds. Last week the birds were eating my tomatoes. Sweet banana peppers. I have 14 sweet potato slips. Plant the slips 6 to 8 inches deep and 12 to 18 inches in distance from each other. And I'm going to use alfalfa meal as my fertilizer. Make sure that you don't bury the leaves. I plant the potatoes for the leaves. I just boil the leaves and eat them together with tomatoes, onions, vinegar, salt, sugar. That's it. Sweet potatoes have lots of nutritional value and have antioxidant properties.